Today we're making a flying spaceship. For this craft, I'll be using a template. You can find the link in the description below. You'll also need 2 straws. Make sure one is bigger than the other. You'll need some tape, some scissors, and some coloring utensils like crayons or markers. To start, color your spaceship. If you don't have access to a printer at home, you can always call the library to arrange a pickup for the supplies used in this week's craft, such as this template and some straws. Check out the description below for details on how to do this. When you're finished coloring your spaceship, it's time to cut it out. Next, we will be needing our straws. Take the bigger straw of the 2 and cut it in half. If you like, you can measure it so it's the same length as your spaceship. Next, use tape to cover or seal off one end of the big straw that we just cut in half. Once your straw is sealed off on one end, you can tape it to the back of your spaceship. Now, insert the smaller straw into the bigger one and blow into it to make your spaceship blast off. And that's it! Now you have a flying spaceship.